These festive reindeer pretzels will be the cutest treat in your holiday spread. They are sweet and salty, and they come together in under 20 minutes. You will need 4 basic ingredients: pretzel rods, brown candy melts, candy eyes, and red M&Ms. Lay a sheet of wax paper on a plate or tray. Pour your candy melts into a glass and melt them per the directions. Dip your pretzel rods into the chocolate and place 2 side by side on your wax paper. Add 2 candy eyes and a red M&M for the nose. Place them in the freezer to harden and store any leftovers in an airtight container. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.